nice here to run here, huh? It's like a trail.
Yeah, but you gotta watch out. There's alligators in there.
There's no alligator in Texas.
Yeah, they've actually found alligators in Trinity.
Kidding, really?
No.
It's not big.
10-footers.
It's not bad. It's still can bite.
Take off your leg.
Take out your leg.
Food. Travel. Hobbies. Life Reality USA vlogs.
So, I am videoing you
We missed the Chinese restaurant.
a country view. See, this is what Texas looks like when you are having a long drive. Nothing much. Nothing really much to see but flat. There's no mountain. No, there's nothing to say. I don't know what to say. There's no description. No words. I'm trying to look for a restaurant because I am hungry. I don't see anything. So, I'm just gonna show this to you and upload it. So again, Texas going to Oklahoma. And that's the, oh, come on, don't blurry. Focus. So this is what's the look like of it. But little bit later there will be a very nice view, which there's only one I really like to see. It's the lake. Okay, so Texas, long drive scenery, and there's nothing to really brag about.
Food either.
No food, no views. Very small town. I guess they know each other here. I saw a church, very little, very small. Oh, that's a country house. See? Very, very small houses. Very small.
Bungalows.
It's bungalow and trailer. How far is the lake?
We're gonna turn in 6.2 miles to head towards the lake.
So I'm just gonna show you. This is it.
Abandoned building.
Oh my God! Abandoned building. See that abandoned building there? Oh, look at the horses. I missed that one. They got lots of ranch, and Spanish and Tagalog, rancho. Very, very empty roads. Not much businesses here. I wonder how they live, where they go food shopping.
Gainesville.
Oh, Gainesville. This is Gainesville.
That way, that's where the Japanese restaurant was at.
That was at Gainesville. That's far away. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Farmers.
Look at the truck.
Truck.
Bigfoot.
What's a Bigfoot? Oh, ayan. Farms. Oh, they got built a water for them, huh? For the horses.
Go to the Megastar. Oh my God.
Oh, we can stop by Omega Star, yes. me and my husband was driving, we found this nice view over here to share with you guys. It's a nice bridge.
Reminds me of rock.
I don't know where is this going, what direction is that going, but it's a nice one.